Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step on how to optimize your WordPress website for mobile users in 2025 and why it's more important than ever. Let's dive straight in. Over 60% of internet traffic now comes from mobile devices and it's growing every year. Plus, Google uses mobile first indexing, meaning your mobile performance affects your SEO rankings directly. A slow or poorly designed mobile site can kill your conversions, and nobody wants that. So, first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. Then your WordPress theme must be fully responsive. That means it automatically adjusts to different screen sizes without breaking. Use a modern lightweight theme like Astra, Generate Pass, Generate Press, or Cadence. If your if your theme isn't mobile optimized, consider switching. It's the foundation of everything else. Just go to Appearance and select the theme like that. Click Activate and Preview Site. Now click Desktop and Home. That's good, and customize it. Next, when you're designing page, always build mobile first. Click on desktop icon, then select mobile from here and customize from here. Add the logo from here. Click on that button. And add your logo. Click plus icon, then click media, open media folder, then add this and select on and resize the logo from here. Now click on that and drag it here like that. Now adjust the image again from here. Now you can change the text. Click on text and click the text from here and drag it. Adjust font sizes, spacing, and image alignment for smaller screens like that. You can change the text from here, click delete, and type or choose a block from here like that. You can add paragraphs right here. Heavy images slow down mobile sites badly. Use optimization plugins like Short Pixel Smash or Imagify to automatically compress images without losing quality. Also serve images in modern formats like WebP for faster loading. Every kilobyte matters on mobile. Speed is crucial. Use caching plugins like WP Rocket or Lightspeed Cache to make your site load faster on mobile. Turn on your mobile cache, lazy load images, and deferred JavaScript to avoid mobile lags. In 2025, intrusive mobile pop-ups can still trigger penalties from Google. Make sure pop-ups like newsletter forms or discounts are easy to close and don't block the main content. Smart banners or exit pop-ups are way too safer than aggressive full screen pop-ups. Don't just assume your site works fine. Test it on real devices. Use Chrome Developer Tools Mobile View, browser stick, or even your own phone and tablet. Check loading times, text readability, button sizes, and navigation smoothness. Finally, head over to the Google's mobile friendly tool. It's scan your website and tell you if you pass Google standards, and if not, it shows exactly what to fix. Your WordPress site is now mobile optimized. Easily drag and drop feature. And that's it. You now know how to fully optimize your WordPress site for mobile users in 2025. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more WordPress and SEO tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.